Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you a few tips and tricks with the images. When logged into AdLister, navigate to the image section. Once you're on the image section, on the right-hand side of the page, you can see how much image space you have in total and how much you have used. In the image section, you can sort your images and place them in folders, or just simply leave them in the image section. Now, if an image has a green title underneath it, that means that the image is assigned to a product and that product is also live on eBay. If the image would have a black title underneath it, it would mean that the image is assigned to a product, but it is not posted to eBay yet. And if an image has nothing underneath it, it means that it is not assigned to any product, and if you want, you can just simply delete it. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can click on the button Download Images, and this will download you a zip file with all your images from AdLister, and you can store them on your computer. Also, if you hover over images on top, you can bulk upload images onto AdLister. Once you have uploaded or deleted some images, on the right-hand side of the page, there is a Recalculate Disk Space button. If you click on that, it will refresh your image section and it will show you how much disk space you have left after adding or removing some images. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos. Visit our websites in the links below, and also, don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos.